Welcome to the GCP Infrastructure Calculator demo. This tool helps you estimate the monthly cost of your virtual machines. It has two main sections, an input section and an output section. In the input section, you can select all relevant details such as region, desktop configuration, license type, VM disk size, average VM running hours, and the total number of VMs. On the right, you can enter any discounts provided by your infrastructure provider. At the bottom, you'll see a summary of the associated costs for compute, storage, and networking across three options: sole tenant pay-as-you-go, 1-year committed use discount, and 3-year committed use discount. This section also provides a breakdown of all the required GCP resources, including quantity, storage, and estimated monthly cost. Let's go through an example. I'll select the US Iowa region with a premium value desktop configuration, a name persistent license type, a VM disk size of 128 gigabytes, 160 VM hours per month, and a total of 100 VMs. We'll leave the discounts at 0. After entering these values, we click Calculate to get the recommendation. In this case, the sole tenant pay-as-you-go option is the lowest cost. You can see the costs for compute, storage, and networking, and at the bottom, the detailed list of resources for the sole tenant pay-as-you-go option, along with their respective costs.